Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you are watching Encyclopedia. In this video, we are discussing question number 1 to 6 of psychology. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of answers in the PDF and the handwritten form. If you need this, contact us today so that we will provide all the answers accordingly. Here the question number and number you can save our number which is 900 936 8238 for future purposes also. Here the question number 1 to 6 that we are discussing here. And question number 1 is 40. Question number 1, 2 and 3 all are for 40 to 60 words. Question number 4 and 5 which are 100 to 150 words. And question number 6, this is a project based question which is about 500 words. So if you want these, you can contact us anytime so that we will provide all the answers accordingly. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.